Hello everyone, this is Logan, and today on Crush It, we're going to be crushing an alarm clock with a hammer. Okay, so, any alarm clock is broken. Or it will be. What the heck? I already broke off the main screen. Oh, hey, that worked. The heck? Get off! That was crap. Oh, come on! Oh! And that, everyone, is inside an alarm clock.
Dude, it wasn't even a minute.
Okay, so...
No, it probably was.
Well, we were hoping that would probably last longer. But, okay. And this is the broken alarm clock. Yep. There it is. So.
Close this baby off.
No, it's not hot. Well, I guess I'm gonna go now. Oh wait, but first, I guess I'll crack the screen. Here. Since the screen's just in one piece. Okay. Well, there you have it. Screen's busted into a billion different little pieces. And the alarm clock is totaled. Okay, so bye.